Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Davos, Switzerland. So let's start with the number 1, Schatzalp. On number 2 we have Zugenschlut. Number 3, Rinerhorn. Number 4, Kirchner Museum. Number 5, Beer Vision Monstein. Number 6, Skiing. Number 7, Sertig Valley. Number 8, Violent Arena. Number 9, Madrisa Land. Number 10, Lake Davos. Number 11, Flüela Pass. Number 12, mountain biking. Number 13, train trips. Number 14, Adventure Park Davos Forage. And the last one, number 15, more winter activities.